looks like the air conditioner's on in here. Loving it. They go way back there. Way back. All up in there. And they go way back there, all the ski runs. Yeah, I can see why people come skiing here. Far out. Alright, Vail, pretty nice. Vail, Colorado. You got some bunny hills right here. Then you got the super dupers way back up in there. Far out. Feet. There's a cool bike trail that goes through it. Look at that. You can get your bicycle camping on. Really nice. You know, I've never been up here before. This is my first time over Vail Pass. This is really nice. I'm just really digging it. Temperature dropped off a ton. It was like the ski resort up there. Oh, it's in the high 80s, low 90s. It's cooled off quite a bit because of the elevation. Roads are perfect. This has just been one great day. What an awesome day. Cedar City to Denver. Awesome ride. Highly recommended. See all the runs carved into the mountain.